What's up, guys? So all right, so we are part 2 of working on the rebuilt G37 Sport. So right now in the previous video I showed you that I had this pretty much is from the junkyard. This is really expensive, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put that over there. So pretty much what I'm gonna do right now in this video, in the last video we assessed all the stuff that were damaged and stuff. I'm gonna put a quick brief of the stuff that it was damaged. Anything that has a check means we have it. It has an X, we don't have it and we need it. So I'm gonna try to put that in there in the edit. So I'm gonna try to do that. In the previous video I said I was gonna do that and I didn't do it. But this video I'm gonna try to do it. So yeah, it is nighttime. As you can tell in the last video, you'll be able to tell that it's daytime to most of the start of the video, and then like towards the end it's dark. So yeah, so hopefully if you paid attention in the last video, you will see that. And if you didn't, go back and look at that video and see how which part actually changed, and it was from day to nighttime. So yeah, and right now we actually are doing it nighttime, and then most likely I'm gonna keep going on it tomorrow. But the main thing I'm gonna do right now is take off the hood and then take off the passenger fender, cause that fender is actually I can't open that door on that side. On the passenger side, the door is pretty much the fender is all the way pushed back, and I can't open the door. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna try to put you in a time lapse, taking off this hood, and then after that, I'm gonna try to move you somewhere over there. I'm gonna have to do I'm gonna have to set up somehow the tripod or some shit, so I'll be able so you'll be able to see what I'm doing actually over there. But on this side, I will take off the hood, and then after that, move everything around, take the intakes off and stuff like that. So I'll be able to just, when I get the new ones, well, not new ones, but good used, I'll be able to put them on, and after that, try to give it a start on the car. So yeah, so hopefully you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and then give me a comment in the bottom. What else should we do to the car? Should we get some new wheels? Obviously, probably get some tint, wrap the hood, the roof, yeah, just go ahead and leave some comments in the description what we should do with the car. And yeah. Guys, so you pretty much just saw in the time lapse me removing the hood. I did got new hood latches, I think latches, I think that's what it's called. We'll have to replace these. I'm gonna try to save most of these trim pieces, so we have all this the inside of the frame structure, all that stuff. This one they got here pretty beat up. Can't even talk, goddamn. Yeah, I'm gonna try to save this one the most I can. What else? So on this passenger side fender, I will have to struggle due to the reason that there's a bolt behind here that is a 10 mil that holds this fender. That is probably gonna be the hardest thing to do. Let me try to see if I could be able to take it off with it right now. Like, matter of fact, holding it with one arm. Well, not holding it with one arm, but like holding the camera. I'm gonna put you down. All right, let's go. So now the next thing I'll have to do is go ahead and take this fender off. So I got a 10 mil here. And there is another 10 mil over here, but if I'm not mistaken, it should be, there it is. Focus, come on. It's a stripping, damn it. I'm gonna have to bang it with the goddamn hammer, bam. So then I'll be able to freaking get to that bolt, and then handy hammer will do the job. Regardless, these pieces that we're using here are trash, so it don't matter if we bang them up a little bit in order not to hurt the door. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, so see how this works. Oh man, you know what, matter of fact, I might take this off. I don't want it to hurt it. Try to do this with one arm and try to show y'all guys, give you more insight. There it goes. Take it off. We're gonna put this inside of here. I'm gonna try to see if I save it or not. I'll think about that later on. So yeah, so try to hammer this down. Bam. Now you can tell the bolt is more flush, and I'll be able to just ratchet it out. Let me try to see if I do a run hand with my fingers, I mean. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, that one's tight over here, so I'm gonna have to do this one. Trying to loosen up this side fender so you'll be able to, well, I'll be able to open this goddamn door. And then, let me just take this off. Let's try to see if it lets me jerk it a little bit, put these right here. Yeah, it's pretty much, it's stuck in there. Trying to use manpower. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's right here. Oh yeah, my bad. It's right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to take off this front one too. There is, I think it's still holding on. Yeah, you can tell, still hold on with the fender. So I'm gonna just go ahead and bang it out. Bang it out, so I'll be able to just get to the goddamn bolt. I'm surprised the bolts are still coming out perfectly fine without no struggle. Yeah, what else? Oh yeah, this one too right here. Ouch, damn it. So I'm gonna have to try to bend this out of here. Yeah, if the camera is not focused on what I'm doing, it's because I'm trying to do this and record at the same time, which is a little bit more difficult. So yeah, try to bend this tab out of the way where the bolt goes. This is not a good prying tool, but it does the job. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to give you more content, guys, of me actually taking stuff apart, like this, what I'm doing right now, with holding it with one phone. I might have to get it, something that holds the phone while I'm working. I'll have to search up something, see if they have I know they have something for it, so I'm gonna have to just look up on TikTok or something, or even actually Amazon, and see if they have the like a tripod type thing. Oh look, there it goes. Everything coming out nicely. So now we just try to pull it outside. I'm gonna have to take off the side skirt, turn the wheel. As you can tell, it's still the damage here. Take this off. So I'll be able to get to them bolts down there. Am I able to get this? Let me see if I try to open this door. If it's trying to, a little bit. I'm gonna have to freaking move this out the way. You know what? I'm just going ahead and get a pry bar. I have a big pry bar up here. I actually have a mess at the shop, so I'm gonna try to clean all this stuff tomorrow. So yeah. See if this actually helps. Let me try to do this. Oh, there it goes. Great. Actually, the whole, I'm gonna put this somewhere. I'm trying to see where to put this. Actually, this little bracket. Oh, you can't see, but I can. Here goes the little bracket that is holding by this 10 mil bolt that is right here. So yeah, that's the only thing. So I just got 2 bolts down there, and then it should come off. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put you in a tripod so I'll be able to use both hands. It's gonna be way better and less work for me to do it, and then you'll be able to see what I'm actually doing. So I'm gonna try to set you up, and then yeah. All right, so I was trying to do a time lapse, and actually it was not. Well, I'm gonna speed it up as a time lapse, but my phone died. So all the videos I'm doing right now, all the videos I have done, they are through my phone. So pretty much my phone died, and right now I got it back. I have it in the charger. So we did took that side. I can move away due to the charger technically I'm charging my phone as I am recording right now. So I can't go over there and show you that we got the fender off, but the fender is off. I don't know if you could tell, but the fender's right there. Yeah, so we did take out the fender. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this side fender. So then technically the whole front end of the car, it's pretty much opened up. and then we see any more damage, and then hopefully my phone charges. Meanwhile, I'll do this time lapse, and then I'll be able to go walk around the car and show you. And then I'll probably be throw in the time lapse. I'm pretty much gonna remove both of the intakes since I'm already taking stuff apart. And then the next thing most likely will be is the core support, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. So yeah, so go ahead, stay tuned. What's up, boss? So, all right, so we pretty much took off the fender already. So you saw in the time lapse, we took it off already. Fender is off. You can tell where the damage right here on it. So this part is gonna have to be pulled out, obviously upwards that way since it got hit like this. So this part got to be pulled up, and then just pretty much take all this out of here, out. And yeah, then after that, I already got the fenders. Already got everything pretty much for the front, so we can square the whole body. New hood latches, because these are totally out of there. These are all bent out. So yeah, so all of this new, well, good use. This good use. We're gonna straighten up the frame. After that, put the new radiator, new core support. That fix that part right there. After that, square the body with the frame, and that should be it. So yeah, so we're gonna keep going up the video tomorrow. And yeah, for you it's gonna be just a quick cut, but for me it's gonna be the next day. So yeah, the next time you see me, it's gonna be daytime. All right, guys, so for y'all, it was a quick cut, but for me, it was a whole different day. So yeah, so actually, I went ahead and actually took off the broken air intakes. They're over there, pretty much, broken out apart. I did take this apart. I did put the new, well, they're good used intakes. So we got those already. And I did got the parts off, which is the fenders, hood, not the bumper, just missing the bumper. I got the headlights. I got everything. Actually, everything is sitting right there. I gotta clean the shop. It's a freaking mess around here, but I'll probably do that off camera. But yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna go ahead, take off this radiator, disconnect the lines, disconnect this hose. This hose got nicked right here, so it's most likely, I'm gonna see if I can cut it and try to put it in there. If not, we're gonna have to replace this. But we will need an upper radiator hose and this, well, obviously we have this already. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and swap that out too. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with coolant, start it up. Hopefully it starts up like nothing. And then after that, we go ahead and put that hole in the frame machine, and yeah. So yeah, so go ahead, give me a like, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put you in the time lapse of me removing the whole front, this front crash bar. Actually remove the remainder of the core support that is broken in there, and then the radiator. So yeah. So we pretty much I cleaned up a little bit. Still gotta clean up more, but yeah, so pretty much I got almost everything out of the way. Makes it look way better. I did see that if this line was damaged, and it's only damaged up here, so I'm just gonna disconnect it from here and get the new line, put it in here, and then that should be it. But actually this line actually did get saved. There's no hose, nothing, no damage on it, so it's pretty much pretty good. So I just gotta bend it how it's supposed to go in shape, and that should be it. Other thing, we need to go get the frame structures, cut those out, and after that, once I got those frame structures, well, I already have them, but I just gotta go get them. Once I get those frame structures, the next thing will be pulling it up to the frame machine and pulling the frame out. So yeah, so with that video will be another video, but so far I think we have come to a stop where after I have took everything that is damaged. Oh wait, another thing that is damaged too is the wires for the fans and the front like crash bar. or like crash sensor and stuff. So yeah, so that we will have to solder this one. We will have to solder it and then fix it, but I'm gonna fix that once everything's pretty much already the frame is pulled down and everything. I'm gonna leave those cables how they are. I just separated them so they won't be touching one another and stuff. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I pretty much just separated those cables out the way. But yeah, we pretty much have come to a stop where the G is technically, all the parts have been removed. We assess all the damage, and then yeah, the car starts. I did give it up a start. Forgot I did disconnected the lines for the transmission, so it just pretty much just spew a shit ton of oil. That's why the dash and everything. I mean, the windshield, and on this side it's kind of like not oily. But after that, I'm pretty much gonna get my pressure washer, wash all of that out, make sure the whole front cover, wash it out, make it look good. And yeah, so that's pretty much where we have come to a stop with the G37. The next video you see pretty much will be of me us pulling the frame, getting the frame straight, and after that replacing those parts, cutting them up, and then replacing them with the new ones. Other than that, yeah, so hopefully you did like the video. Hopefully you give me a comment, give me a thumbs up. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you came this far watching the video, I do appreciate you really much watching my video to this point and not actually skipping it or stop watching it. I really do appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you. Have a blessed day.